Es que ya no quiero decir hola little muffins because I think it's so annoying, pero no sé qué decir al principio de los videos. Anyways, el día de hoy vamos a ir a Little Tokyo, I think. Vamos a ir a comer okonomiyaki porque Tania tenía ganas, entonces invitó a Erika y vamos a ir a LA, así que acompáñenme. Que no te importe que voy a grabar.
I need to sign a form.
I don't think so. I'm not that famous.
We should just get that, right? Yeah. And we can share it because they're pretty big. Yeah.
Do you want to get like some
And then we can get an
entree?
appetizer, yeah.
An entree is the big meal.
Expect it to be
Yeah.
pricey.
It doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make sense.
Or we can get that.
I was gonna be like, do you come like that? Don't you guys.
Oh, yeah, let's just do that then.
I don't carry cash.
Is that fine? We'll just get the okonomiyaki
What's pudding? What's pudding?
and then we'll get something else.
I'll Venmo you some money.
We'll just keep eating.
No, you're smart. There's a lot of people don't understand.
Lengua. Lengua.
No good?
That's what I was doing. You said something and I was like, what? This is actually. Yeah, that was strong.
Where's it at? No, well,
Hi, welcome. Ready to order?
yes.
Sure. What can I get for you?
Can I get the Sapporo draft?
Supple drop.
Can I get the white peach high
My peach habit is really good.
Yeah, it's good.
It's very sweet, but
I like sweet. Okay.
Lychee soda.
lychee soda, yeah. Sweet too.
I'm basic.
We'll order
I'll
the
go.
Shinchikurin-yaki. You
Might as
can
well.
choose a
He's
noodle,
not big.
crispy
He's
noodle, or
like
soft
He's a
noodle.
little shadowed.
crispy. Which one do you recommend?
We recommend a crispy noodle because guan will be a little bit soft. So if you order crispy, you just kind of plastic. So it's crispy. Anything else?
We're gonna share it.
Yeah. So drop beer, white peach, lychee highball, and then crispy shinchikurin-yaki.
Hey, welcome back to Monica's vlog. Today we'll be eating panzuzu. Me panzuzu.
Yeah.
Well, I wanted to show Monica some of the stores here.
I wouldn't let you
go right away.
It's over.
You don't have to go
We can
at
go after.
5.
We can go after. Calm down.
It's literally two big kids
Where are we going?
together somehow.
Here to the bookstore and
Look at his eyes
we'll
just
check
go.
out that.
If I can go back in time, that's why it's so simple. If I can go back in time.
That's pretty much it.
For that party, David?
And I'm always waiting for your call, but I don't know you don't want me sometimes. So I'ma run you out many girls, but you're always ignoring them. I know that you are thinking of me. You can know that you like me, yeah. You can know that you like me.
Malatania.
Struggling. Sorry. Okay, you do it now. And tell me how you do. It's just that the bottom is not cut all the way. Yeah. Okay. So fuck you guys.
Oh my god.
What's his name?
¿Ya lo probaste?
Yeah, it's good. I haven't tried the I don't try the noodles.
You haven't tried the noodle?
No me tocó ninguno ahorita.
Okay, then me. What's in the oven next?
Greatest spot. You know what I mean? It's like, what exactly is the strategy to get people Because it's really hot. It shouldn't be that hot.
Like that? Yeah.
And then they give up as soon as they get there.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Did not, no, it doesn't taste like the
I need to add more onion.
So originally,
And they grill
they
the
just changed it before you
cabbage before they put it.
Mm-hmm.
Like they actually had.
Pero es como like una capa de
I did have like a YouTube video
onion.
and a Spotify video. Like so, like you just.
You like it?
But now this is where it just takes you.
Oh, the
Can you like it?
Wow.
The noodles are really good,
Yeah.
right? That's what I'm saying.
And the egg. The noodles. Ooh,
You go from
ooh, mole. Mayo, yeah. You get it?
It needs it.
It's like ranch.
Yeah, it's like ranch.
Or like crema. It's like that.
Isn't ranch.
Well, ranch
This is ranch, the crema of this country.
It is.
Really?
It really is.
I'm so happy with everybody's decision to get us to this point.
When we made it to here.
Yeah.
I cannot get over the egg. And the noodles.
You put egg in yours?
I don't put egg. Well, I mean, I put it in the mix. Because that's...
but it's like a layer of egg.
It's like a egg. Yeah. Yeah, this one's layered. Well, the one I made is a different style. It's like saka or whatever.
Saka. Don't say whatever it is.
Papa.
Just take the plate. Dude, no.
Well, the takoyaki, it's the same kind of like batter and the same sauce on the top, and then it has a little piece of
Oh, it's the
octopus in
same
the middle.
sauce? Fun fact. Do you want half of it? I didn't know that.
Just fell apart.
I don't like.
I don't know how. Yeah, she doesn't like
You don't like taco?
the octopus.
Oh no. You're like what?
You like tacos?
Yeah, I do. I want tacos. I like real tacos.
Or like real things?
Find out.
I think too. Job for you.
But you're always ignoring them. I know that you are thinking of me. You can know that you like me, yeah.
And they have white bread.
Feel a little.
This is almost cool.
I'm excited about it right now.
Yeah. Oh! Thank you, Sandy. You okay? can tell.
You came for the pork one. Stick to your.
No, yeah, I am. I was gonna. Porque no las dos.
But we're going to the other one.
Porque no tres.
I mean, you can, but si puedes.
I'll get this like little hot dog thing.
No? Yes.
Whatever this little hot
You don't have to eat them all right now.
dog. Is that one better or is the jalapeno one better?
Oh wait, I'm gonna get your favorite here.
Yeah, and then sweet there. That's what I'm gonna do.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
I'm not a man. I'm a lady.
You're what?
I'm a lady.
They said I'm an oldie.
Mira, you need to cut my bag.
Me?
Yeah. I trust you.
I got some pretty good.
No?
I tried to see it.
Do you want to cut my bag?
I said I would.
Okay. I would trust her.
Cause look,
She's an artist.
Right? That's what I'm saying.
Artists don't have
Porque,
hair.
yeah, they're too long that they split. I don't want to look like a Korean
You can't just
boy.
drink that. You have to have soju in it. I'm just gonna take it home and I'm gonna buy soju at the market.
Soju? Or sake?
No, soju.
I have soju at home.
No, I don't. Because it's more expensive. If you're not gonna drink it now.
No, it's fine. You don't have that much. Market? Huh?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
But you're always ignorant, yeah. But you're always ignorant, I know that you are thinking of me. You can know that you like me, yeah.
Pero es que I'm not gonna be able to. Ah, se quitó del lado. Shit. Sorry. Ready? Mmm. Oishi. Lo de arriba está morregosito, pero it's good. You wanna try? Like green tea. Like green
Actually, matcha. It's actually
Yeah,
matcha.
actual matcha. No sugar.
Matcha.
No sugar.
What?
It's really good.
Like, it's not super sweet. Like they try
Yeah.
to like do things.
Like
Matcha.
matcha.
Yeah, this like really savory good. I always say freaking no sugar
No
to my
sugar?
friends, and I'm like, where did I get that from? I'm like, my friend say something, I'm like, no sugar.
No
I'm like,
sugar.
my fucking cousin.
Yes.
No sugar what?
Are you on TikTok? And there's a girl who made like gummy things and keto. And she's like, no sugar.
But like there was one day I was with her and Nidia, and they kept saying no sugar.
No sugar. For sure, no sugar. And they're like, really? Doesn't even taste like see sugar. No, I know we hate that taste here. No sugar.
But you're always ignorant, I know that you are thinking of me. You can know that you like me, yeah. You can know that you like me, yeah. But you're always ignorant, yeah. But you're always ignorant, I know that you are thinking of me. You can know that you like me, yeah.
Were you?
Yeah, you were there too.
I wasn't
We were.
drinking.
Well, you weren't old enough yet.
Yeah, but I don't remember you drinking.
Weren't we done before the Beyonce concert? We were drinking
You
in the
guys-
car.
But you also bought like drinks inside.
Yeah, but why the fuck not?
Yeah. I'm like, yeah. Rice.
Look, Tanya, how much was your Calpico?
Don't tell her. T-Rex party? Get some milk? Le alcohol. It's basically... What is that? Oh, jelly? Ugh. I don't like jelly stuff. Blech. I went up here. Korean pear. Can I buy a Korean pear?
Do it. My friend said they're really good.
Right? Everyone says they're really good. Naruto ramen!
I want one.
Which one? Oh, no. Best character ever. What do you mean? We're gonna try it on camera.
You need to show it.
Oh. We're trying a brown sugar. Like that?
Brown sugar ice cream. Yeah.
Ice cream. I cannot read.
It has boba in it.
It has boba in it? I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh, look at it. Sugoi.
Were you just saying that?
No, it's good. I don't like the boba.
You don't like boba?
The bolitas?
The bolitas. I mean, but it tastes really good. But the boba, I was like,
Spit it out.
I don't know you can.
I want your tone.
Maybe not with that attitude.
But it tastes better with, like the boba tastes really good.
Mhm.
I just don't like the texture.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I bought a pear
Next on
on the mukbang. And then the Naruto ramen.
Kakashi.
Oh, pues sí, sort of. Pues Naruto Shippuden, güey. O sea, even better. Even better character development for Kakashi. What is it? Who bought this? What is that?
Macadamia nut matcha.
Ah! Look at the almond matcha. Bueno, mientras yo les enseño lo que compré. It's Digimon, guys. Erica, did you watch Digimon when you were young? You didn't even watch anime when you were young, huh?
That's Pokemon.
That's not anime. What do you think I'm getting?
The pig. The pink one. Pig?
The pig? There's no pig.
Looks like a pig. But that one. I just saw this ears.
Oh, okay. What do you think I'm getting?
I hope you get this one. Yokoman.
Nice.
There's a Bartolo the mermaid.
Oh my god!
Is it
Ah, you're right!
Wait. It's a pig.
It's not a pig, but oh my god!
You're like,
So
she got the pig.
cute.
That's a little. It's like a block away from here.
Have it? This one is the one with the coffee. Is coffee liqueur like what kind of? Oh,
Black coffee, Mr. Black Coffee liquor. It's good, right?
iron shake. Can I have mine? Do you want to try it first? Ooh, fancy. Ya me voy a cansar.
¿Ya qué?
Ya me voy a cansar. Oh. I mean, I like it, but así como te pasó a ti de que you don't know what it is. Oh. Hello.
Alright, so we got
tots and wings.
Yeah.
If you guys need anything else, just go to the front, talk to the guy, he'll help you, alright?
Thank you.
It also it tastes like a lemonade.
Sure.
Remember?
Do you want mine?
I always want everyone to try something. This one's like amazing.
Oh, she's strong.
What? You guys are. It's not that strong. Oh,
This is
sorry,
a
sorry.
tater tot?
You know,
Okay. Right.
there's a tea, but I don't know what.
And that's the tea.
And that's the tea.
I like it.
What kind of dressing is that? You like
Honey
it,
mustard.
this one better?
I haven't tried mine yet.
Okay. Your turn.
I'm trying a hair hot.
Today,
Making waves.
I'm so impressed with the lighting.
It's good.
It's good.
It's a slushy drink. I love mango, citrus. You're basically drinking a smoothie. You're basically losing weight. Wow.
I don't like it. There's something that I don't like. I like the aftertaste.
Oh, she doesn't want to lose weight while drinking.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why? That's what I don't like.
You guys can have tater tots.
I like mine better. Is that what you were expecting us to say? Ah, potato top. Vi eso de reojo. Pensé que eran fireworks or something. You know, freaked the other day when the Lakers won. Porque fue cuando salí del trabajo. There were fireworks all around. And I was very confused. Are they good? They're hot. That's hot. I should have brought like an extra plate. Like hot, like hot?
Yeah. Hot,
Or like-
hot.
Or like spicy. Ooh, danke. Mmm.
Is it spicy?
That's spicy. No, super spicy.
I'm gonna cook you.
You should try it. Just try one.
Try to cook her?
One time. I like it.
Your ranch is good.
A ver. It's hot. I think it's hot.
No? What?
It's gonna run out of memory.